Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our first chapter is going on, that is numbers beyond 9999. Children, today we are going to start our new exercise, that is exercise 1C. Children, first of all, you all have to know that you have to use blue and black pen both in your classwork or homework. The headings or the questions you will write with black pen and answers you will write with blue pen. Don't use only blue pen or don't use only black pen. Use both the pen for doing your classwork and homework. Maintain index, page number and date on your every page of your classwork copy so that it will be easy for you all to maintain your index. So do very neat and clean work in your classwork copy because every week you all will call for your copy corrections and you will get marks for that. So maintain your copy of every subject very well so that whenever you will be get called from school for the copy correction, so you all can come and bring your copies for correction. Will make the record of that. So you have to maintain your copy very neat and clean. Okay children, now let's start doing exercise 1C. Now children, we are going to start our new exercise of the same chapter number 1, number beyond 9999. Exercise 1C it is. First question of exercise 1C is write the face value of. Questions are given here. Number are asked to tell the face value of the given numbers. So, what is face value? Face value means the face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself regardless of the position of the digit in the numbers. So, you have to tell the face value of the digit, then the face value of the given digits or any digits will be the digit itself. So simply you have to write the answer here. First question is 1 in 25,103. So the digit itself will be the face value. So 1 is the digit, so 1 will be the answer. 1 will be the face value of 1. Second question is 7 in 75,124. So 7 will be the answer. Third question is 8 in 8,59,436. So simply 8 will be the answer of 8, face value of 8. Fourth question is 6 in 6,54,097. So 6 will be the answer. 6 will be the face value of 6 here. So these are the 4 questions of question number 1 in which you have to write the face value of the given digit. Then question number 2 is find the place value. So in place value, what is the place value? The place value of a digit in a number depends upon its face value and the place value it occupies in the place value chart. Means place value of a digit is equal to face value multiplied by value of the place it occupies in the place value chart. You have to first see the position of the number that which it occupies, face value or place values, then you have to multiply by it face value. The number you will multiply with its position or places. So this you have to do in question number 2 in finding the place values. So first question is 3 in 25,134. So first of all see where the 3 is written in the numbers, then you have to find the position of this number. So this one is tens, this one is ones and this one is tens. So the place value of 3 will be 30, means 3 multiplied by 10. Here you can write 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. Then second is 5 in 6,19,520. So it is ones, it is tens, this one is hundred. So what you will do, you will multiply 5 by 100. So 5 multiplied by 100 will be 500. Clear? This way you have to do. Now let's see another question. So third question is 6 in 6,43,521. So here the place value of 6 is, this one is ones, this one is tens, this one is hundreds, this one is thousand, this one is 10,000 and this one is lakh. So 6 will be multiplied by 1 lakh. There are 50 in 1 lakh. So 6 multiplied by 1 lakh will be 6 lakh. Clear? This is question number 3. Question number 4. 4 in 3,49,026. Clear? So first see the positions of the number. Digits: 6 is at ones, 2 is at tens, 0 is at hundreds, 9 is at thousand, 4 is at 10,000. So 4 will be multiplied by 10,000 and it will come 40,000. 4 will be multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 40,000. So the place value of 4 here is 40,000. Clear? In question number 5, 0 in 53,019. So about 0, 0 is having no value. So either it is given in place value or it is given in face value. 0 will be 0 only. So you don't have to worry about 0. You will write 0 only in answer if it is asking in face value or place value. So it is very simple. You have to write only 0. So 0 will be the answer of question number 5. Then question number 6. 9 in 2,59,738. So place value of 8 is ones, 3 is tens, 7 is hundreds, 9 is thousand, 5 is 10,000 and 2 is lakh. So the place value of 9 is 1000. What you will do? You will multiply 9 by 1000 and it will come 9,000. So the place value of 9 is here 9,000. Question number 7. In question number 7, 7 in 27,503. You have to tell the place value of 7 here. So you can see 3 is at ones, 0 is at tens, 5 is at hundreds and 7 is at thousand. So 7 will be multiplied by 1000. It will come 7,000. Clear? So the 7,000 is the place value of 7. Question number 8 now. 2 in 7,25,419. So 9 is at ones, 1 is at tens, 4 is at hundreds, 5 is at thousand and 2 is at 10,000. Again the 2 we will multiply by 10,000. There are 4 0 in 10,000. So 2 will be multiplied by 10,000. It will come 20,000. So the answer for question number 8 is 20,000. This is your classwork. For today's homework, you will again do question number 1 and question number 2 in your rough copy for the practice. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day.